Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I'm so glad you're here. Today we share our take on American Girl's newest party cake set. Looking at the image available so far, it seems the rainbow cake has an interactive or buildable theme. The cake comes with separate drip icing, frosting band and 2 options for toppers. Now your dolls can choose to decorate their cake with a colourful meringue cluster or a fun upside-down ice cream, or just enjoy a slice on its own. There are so many ways to play, and since this is a DIY, customise. Have fun crafting this set in just an afternoon. So let's get making. To make the cake, we are using scraps of foam board that we keep from past projects. We are also using the 2-inch circle from this stencil. Trace the circle 6 times. Cut them out, then cut a small slice from each disc. Next, we selected paints in similar colours to the layers seen in AG's version, but you can opt to make your cake all chocolate, vanilla, or a lovely ombre. Paint the exposed foam on the inside of each cake piece and the outside raw edges of the cake slice. Additionally, paint the bottom of the chocolate layer as this part will be visible. While the cake pieces are drying, trace and cut 5 more 2-inch circles from thin brown fun foam. Glue a cake slice to each circle, matching the outer curve with the curve of the fun foam. Carefully cut out your slice, then adhere the remaining fun foam to the cake portion. Now stack and glue all the cake pieces together for a fun rainbow pattern. Then repeat for your slices. Affix the chocolate base to the bottom, then cut a rectangle of fun foam that's as tall as your cake. Wrap it around the outer edge, being generous with your glue so the fun foam sticks to the raw foam board. Cut away any excess fun foam. For the coloured fondant layer, we painted white fun foam the same teal as seen in AG's stock picture. Adhere both the rectangle and circle to your cake. Then repeat the process to complete your cake slice. For the icing layer, we used a small container that has a diameter slightly bigger than our cake. Spray paint the container pink or any colour you'd prefer. With marker, draw the drip design, then cut around your lines. Now you have an icing layer that can be removed or changed for a different colour. Next, cut or punch small circles and glue together for stiffness. Paint it yellow. Using air dry clay, we will sculpt tiny meringue peaks. In AG's set, the meringues are painted a blend of pink and yellow and blue and yellow. Adhere the meringues to the paperboard in a tight cluster using liquid glue. Perfect! For the frosting at the bottom of the cake, cut a strip of fun foam and scallop cut the top. Paint the fun foam your desired colour, then add 3D swirls using puffy paint. While the paint is still wet, sprinkle over glitter for that extra twinkle. Wrap the strip around the cake and glue the ends together to make a ring. Our second topper starts with an ice cream cone. Take a textured facial pad and apply glue to 1/2 of the circle. Using the handle from a paintbrush, begin to wrap the facial pad around itself to make the cone shape. The edges will seal shut from the glue we applied earlier. Paint the cone brown. This step really highlights the textured weave on the facial wipe. Here we have leftover scoops made during our ice cream sundae video. Today we will use the pink one. Cut, stack and paint a pink paperboard disc. Hot glue the scoop close to one edge of the disc, tilting the scoop on an angle. Cover the paperboard around the scoop with more hot glue to imitate melting ice cream. Once it has cooled, attach the cone to the scoop at a jaunty angle. Then paint the hot glue to match the ice cream flavour. We added gloss Mod Podge so it had that wet look. I think the upside down ice cream is my favourite cake topper and will definitely make this again in more flavours. To complete the set, we made a cake stand similar to AG's, following our older Bistro boutique cake video. and spray painted it hot pink to match. While filming, American Girl has not yet released their party cake set, but our DIY version is lots of fun. The cake is interactive, and best of all, you can customize everything. Make the perfect cake and all the decorations to suit your doll's personality. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel to support our DIYs. And let us know in the comments if you have or plan to get any pieces from AG's new kitchen release. Thanks for watching. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.